In this video, we're going to swap out that large movie file that we originally had. Let's take a look at the folder. Here's our Premiere project folder. It's over 20 gigabytes, and the reason is we did that QuickTime and animation, which is a great quality, but it's just too large for us to work with, and it seems like we're all having issues. So let's make it easy on all of us. I'm not going to delete that just yet. What you need to do is, hopefully you've watched the video that shows you how to save as a MP4 file. So that's what I need you to do first, and then once you have that, you're going to drag it into that Premiere project folder. So now they both live there temporarily. And I'm going to open up Premiere, and as you can see in your project panel, you have your MOV file right here. Sometimes when we look at them at the icon view, it's really hard to differentiate things. So let's go to that list view right here. This is basically, this little icon is just really showing you what this is, your composition, your timeline. And these are the little legacy titles that we had up here. And this is the actual MOV file. If this box is too small, and you definitely going to have a lot more things coming in, you can change it. Instead of being an editing view, we're going to go to that assembly. Now let's go over here, and I'm going to select it. Select the video you want to replace. Right click, and then we're going to go to replace footage. Select that and make sure the new video that you actually want is in the right folder where the original lives as well. So we want the MP4. Hit open, and now it has replaced. It's no longer that MOV file. So once we've replaced, the MOV's gone, now the MP4 file is there. I'm going to minimize that, or you can close out, and I'm going to go back to the Premiere project folder, and now we're going to delete that MOV. We no longer need that large file. We have the replacement right here. So I'm going to drag that down. And if we look at the actual size again, we can see that it's now a much smaller workable folder, and the document size overall is going to be easy to work with as well. So now this can upload to the cloud, and it should be able to work well if you're going to save to your external hard drive or flash drive.